Hello everyone. Welcome to the CRM Fundamental course. Today we are going to introduce how to create a mobile navigation framework. Before creating the navigation framework, we need to create the icons and controls required for mobile devices. Then make them as masters so that they can be quickly applied to projects in Axure. There are two websites where you can find icons to use. The first is flowbyte.com. You can search for the icons you want on the website, such as the home icon. Then hover over the icon, click the copy button, and you can copy the vector code of the icon. Then go into Axure, paste the icon onto the canvas. What is pasted onto the canvas is an image. Right-click and select Convert to Shapes, and you can convert it into a shape. You can adjust the size of this shape freely. Then we create it as a master so that it can be reused later. Let's rename it as Home. Another excellent icon website is Material Design Icons. Enter fonts.google.com. Then select Icons. Search for the home icon. You can choose the style of the icon on the left. For example, if you choose Fill, all icons will become Fill style. You can also see other setting options on the left panel. Customize the icons according to your needs. After selecting the desired icon, choose SVG to download it. After downloading, copy and paste the icon file into Axure. Then convert it into a shape. The usage is the same as what we learned just now. We make all the icons as masters ahead of time, which will facilitate future use. Next, let's create the navigation framework. We need a sign-in page and a home page, with the home page primarily serving as navigations. First, we'll create a new folder to store all the pages for the mobile end. Then, we'll make a new sign-in page. The sign-in page only requires a sign-in function, and registration is not needed at this time. Since our CRM system is mainly for employees and can be connected to other systems, authorization can be directly granted by other system administrators. On the right side of the Style panel, we choose the iPhone 11 Pro for the page size, considering the need to be compatible with mainstream devices. Then, we'll add a dark background to the page. We also need a logo, an app name, labels and input boxes for username and password. Change the password input type to password. Lastly, we need a sign-in button. This completes the sign-in page. Next, we'll create a new home page. We require a top bar for the logo and app name, which we'll create as a dynamic panel and pin to the top left corner of the screen. Additionally, we need a bottom navigation bar for the main navigations, similar to the App Store's navigation bar. This type of navigations are now mainstream for scenarios with many features. We'll set a background color and place 4 navigations at the bottom: Home, Dashboard, Notification, and Me. Unlike the left navigation bar on a PC that can accommodate many navigations, our bottom navigation will feature 4 commonly used ones. Home will mainly host entrances to frequently used functions, Dashboard will display data and rankings, Notification will show various notifications, and Me will be for user center. These are common navigation features in mobile apps, considering user frequency and operational habits. We select the first navigation by default and add an interaction to highlight the selected item when clicked, setting all navigations as an option group. Then, we'll make all elements into a dynamic panel and fix it to the bottom left corner of the screen. Moving on, let's create the other elements for the home page. To facilitate users in quickly finding frequently used functions, we can create a quick navigation bar containing common function entrances. We'll also include a calendar with tasks for the day, allowing users to quickly browse and manage their tasks. We drag in a card to create the background. Then, we need icons and labels for navigations like leads, customers, contacts, opportunities, orders, products, contacts, payments, tasks, roles, lead pool, and customer pool. We'll arrange them based on usage frequency and relevance. After grouping all these elements, we'll proceed to create the calendar. We copy and paste the above group, deleting unnecessary elements. We need a month label and a Today button for quick selection of the current date. Then, we'll create the rest of the calendar. Adding a selected style effect to the date buttons and setting a click interaction to highlight the clicked button within selection group. We duplicate more dates as needed. Below, we need a divider separating the calendar from the task list. We also need a title, date, and task list with each item featuring a title and time. Furthermore, we'll add a badge to notifications, displaying the number of notifications. We change the background of the navigation bar above to match the color below. Returning to the sign-in page, we'll add an interaction to the sign-in button, linking it to the home page. Here, we need to include buttons for switching to the previous and next months on the calendar. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.